We're going to have a look here at some options for graffiti removal and prevention. PPE required may include high-vis vests, gloves, respirator matches. To chemical treatments, we may apply eye protection and possibly ear protection when using power washers, as well as hard hat or sun hat, depending on where we are working. Graffiti presents a few different challenges because it may involve removal of a wide range of random substances or materials. You often see graffiti done with aerosol cans or enamel spray paint, but also around town you'll see people will deface property with anything that they have handy: stickers, posters, adhesive tape, black marker pens, paint pens, or even scratching letters in the existing finish with sharp objects. When graffiti occurs, we want to deal with it quickly in order to discourage more attacks. If it disappears as quickly as it goes up, then vandals may see it as a futile exercise and stop bothering or look elsewhere for a site to attack. To remove graffiti, we need to consider time and materials costs, site access and isolation for public areas, environmental and safety concerns for any chemicals such as hydrocarbon solvents we are planning to use, and possible damage the cleaning process may do to the original finish and substrate. Power washing may damage delicate timber or loose masonry, chemical strippers may harm existing paint finishes, cleaning products may leave shiny patches by removing oxidization from aged or weathered surfaces. In today's example, we have a colour-bond fencing panel recently defaced with a mix of spray paints, marker pens and stickers. We want to avoid harsh scrapers because it is likely to also damage the colour-bond paint. We'll begin with a power wash, as it is unlikely to damage the surface and creates no chemical pollution. Once that's done, we can reassess the area and consider other approaches. We have patch tested our cleaning products on an inconspicuous area, and the colour-bond paint does not seem to be harmed, so we'll proceed with applying methylated spirits with a cloth and a plastic scraper. The more frequently graffiti occurs, the more an owner might be looking into a prevention strategy such as an anti-graffiti coating to make subsequent cleanup faster and cheaper. Anti-graffiti coating are generally classed as either sacrificial or non-sacrificial. Sacrificial suggests the coating is lost along with the graffiti when we clean it off, while non-sacrificial would be a more permanent layer that can be easily cleaned many times while remaining sound. Not surprisingly, these products are likely going to be clear because we want to enjoy the original appearance of the surface we want to protect. A number of sacrificial anti-graffiti coatings are actually similar to the wax finish you put on your car, a clear layer that makes it hard for things to stick to the underlying paintwork. If we wash the surface with hot water or other suitable solvent, the wax releases and we lose both the protective coating as well as any graffiti applied above this layer. A non-sacrificial coating could be compared to a clear coat epoxy sealer. It forms a clear, hard surface from which graffiti can be scrubbed off. Additionally, as a sealer, it may help prevent graffiti paint from leaching into a porous substrate like brick or concrete, which would leave a stain that would be difficult to remove without advanced treatments. It's worth noting that specialist anti-graffiti coatings might be quite expensive when compared to regular paint. For some sites, it may simply be cheaper to repaint. You can see here that the methylated spirits was effective in removing some of the paint, but certainly not all. And we found that when we escalated to lacquer thinner, it took the majority of the graffiti off the surface without damaging the colour-bond paint.